Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my YouTube channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And in this video today, I'm going to show you 5 side hustles that can get you paid this week, guys. Okay, so stay tuned because I'm going to show you these ideas. Now, for the very last idea though, if you want to stay to the end, I'm going to show you how that idea can really go into a full-blown online business, and I'm going to show you how you can do that. Okay, so you can start with side hustles just to earn you some quick money, but ultimately it's really awesome to make money online, guys, and I'm going to show you with the last idea. And let's get started here. Okay, so this is my blog here. So the first site that you can do a side hustle here is Handycom. This is a site where you can get services done for you. Doesn't matter if it's at your home or if it's in a home office, or if it's an office or whatever. But people need help. So people need help either doing general house cleaning stuff or putting together like IKEA furniture or mounting things on the wall, and or just doing home improvement projects. You can have people install floors for you. And so if you are a person that is able to provide these kind of services, you can then become a pro. So you click here, and this is how you're going to become one of these service providers. Okay, and look at the pay here. You can make up to 22 per hour per job as a cleaner, or $45 per hour per job as a handyman. And their top professionals make more than $1,000 a week, guys. This is serious money that you can really do, not just a side hustle, if this is something you want to do, guys. And this is flexible schedule. You choose when you want to work and how much, and so you could really build your schedule and fill it up, or simply just add a few jobs if you just need a few things, if you just need to make a certain amount of money, and then that's it, right? And then let's see, easy payments, no more tracking down your customers for payments. Your payments are directly deposited into your bank account soon after the job is complete. So this is a great way to get paid fast, guys. And so the requirements are you must have paid experience in cleaning or handyman services, must be authorized to work in the country you are applying in, and you must have excellent customer service skills. So you're kind of representing the Handy brand as well. Even though, of course, you're not going to be an employer because they're simply just referring contractors to people, basically. They're just like a referral service. See, because they're simply just connecting independent service professionals with customers. So you just got to get more experience. Yeah, so all you need to have is proof that you've been paid for some of these services, and then you can do some for Handy and get more customers. So that's not bad at all, guys. So the next one that has similar services is this, Tackle. It's called takl.com, and here you can find same-day help for over 400 pre-priced home services on a trusted and reliable platform. And this one, you can have even more ways to earn. You can share a code and earn a 4% royalty for 2 years for referring others to this website. So these are some of the things. If you know how to do some of these things, you could definitely apply to be one of the helpers on this site. See, this is for all over the country, and they are expanding. The gray dots are the expansions, and the green dots is what's available right now. So you could be doing stuff like mowing the lawn, cleaning the house, hang a light fixture, remove tree limbs, haul away old appliances, mount a TV, and move furniture, organize your pantry. I mean, this is easy stuff, guys. Clean up gutters, install curtain rods. Some of this is easy, some of them is a little bit more involved, but I mean, there's so many choices to choose from here, guys. You have pet care, you have painting, organizing things, moving, I mean, lawn and like outside, indoor, inside work. I mean, just a variety of things. So if you want to become one of the providers, you just click here and make money with your own schedule with Taco. So here's how it works. So you would need to get their app on your phone. You sign up, complete all the 6 registration steps to be activated on the Taco platform as a provider. Toggle into provider mode to view all available chores and make yourself available to work. If selected, navigate to the address, complete the work, and receive payment directly to your account. And so the 6 easy steps to register, basically giving them their basic information, do the skills that you can offer, and then complete our online orientation to become familiar with the app, provide valid government issued ID, and provide profile photo to verify identity, provide bank account information to receive direct deposit, and then clear a background check. So you may have to wait a little bit to be able to start working because of this. You need to have a clear background check. So this could take maybe a couple of days. So this is a great platform to sign up with because they invest a lot of money into marketing their brand. I have seen them actually on TV. So they're on national TV getting customers. And so they would need a lot of providers. This is a great way to make money quicker, a side hustle. Now, Lyft is no stranger to the market. I'm sure a lot of you already know Lyft is a service that you can provide nowadays. Instead of using taxis, people are using Lyft to get rides from A to B. And so if you have a car and you're not using it for your own use, you can start giving people rides and earning this way. People make a decent amount of money doing this, and it's available in definitely in the US in a lot of cities already. So this is definitely an option, and people can make a pretty good side money with this, and you get paid pretty quickly, and you get tips as well. So it's a great way to use your car if you're not using it yourself. Now, here's another company that does that, which is Uber. But Uber actually has a little better program because you can be a driver or you can be delivering food because they have Uber Eats as well. So you can do 2 things, and they even guarantee you of how much you can earn, because if you can do 400 trips within 90 days for whatever city you're in, and because they're saying you could earn at least this much for your first 400 trips, and you click here, the terms apply. You need to make those 400 trips within 90 days to be able to earn all that for that city. Now, each city will have different rates, of course. See, 1,600 for 300 trips. Just depends on where you are. It gets lower. This is 150 trips. So it just depends on where you are. So for here, you set your own hours. You get paid fast. You choose how and when you want to get paid, and then you have support, of course. They will help you with any questions that you have. So you can. Here's what you need to drive. These are the requirements that you need for a driver, and then to be a delivery person, you can be having a car or a bike. So you don't even need a car with Uber if you want to do Uber Eats, which is the delivery service. Okay. And the 5th site that I want to show you is Rover.com. Rover.com is a pet sitting services website which I personally use all the time because I continually have a pet. I love dogs, so I always have a dog, and I really trust this site because they have reviews for the pet sitters. So as a pet sitter yourself, so you just come here, become a sitter. You can earn up to $1,000 a month, and this is a good way to make quick money because when people book these services, they are going to pay Rover.com, and Rover will pay you as soon as you are done. So let's see. Let's see how it works here. You create your profile. We guide you through building a profile that showcases information pet parents care about. Accept requests. Tell us the types of dogs you want to care for and the dates that work for you. You make your own schedule. And then you get paid. How do you get paid? Payments are ready for withdrawal 2 days after you have completed a service. To get earning fast, guys, all you gotta do is just price it a little bit lower than what you see around your neighborhood, okay? I always go for the lower ones because some of these people do charge quite a bit. So you do earn a decent amount of money, guys, if you know how to take care of your dog. There's a lot of dog lovers out there. I know there are. So this is a great way to just make some quick money. So it's like you can do so many different services. Okay, you could be dog boarding. You could have the dog at your house. You could just be a dog walker and you just go to people's houses and take their dogs out in the middle of the day. Or you could do doggy daycare, which you just take care of the dog during the day in your home. Or you could just do house sitting, as in you just got to visit their home, play with the dog for a few minutes or however time it is that you're set to do, and then you just leave the house. I mean, there are so many ways to make money. For this last one, you could really, if you are a dog lover and you really love dogs and this is going to be part of your side hustle, you can really turn this into a full-blown, even online business that you don't even have to walk any dogs eventually. So what you're going to do now, this is going to be a method that is not going to be as quick as, you know, getting paid within a week or 2 weeks. This is going to be a little bit different because, like I was saying, I'm going to teach you how to build this into a full-blown business. So that's going to take a little while to get it there, but this is how you're going to do it. Okay, it's going to be similar to what I started with on this video. Okay, it's going to be similar to my website here. So what you're going to be learning is you're going to learn how to build your own dog loving website. Okay, you're going to build a dog niche website, and you can, even within the dog pet niche, you can still narrow it down to either to a breed that you really love, okay, or you could have a certain aspect of dogs that you can do for your site, like just grooming for dogs. So that's something, or checking out different pet strollers. You can go as narrow as that. So you can have your dog site as big, as wide as you want, or as narrow as you want. So actually, how do you make money with this? Is that you're going to use something called affiliate marketing, and you're going to learn this at this platform right here. This is the same platform that I learned how to build my website and how to use affiliate marketing to monetize that website. Now, what you're going to be doing is that you're going to be building this dog website that will be helping people how to do something with their dog. So either how to train their dog or how to take care of their dog. You can recommend tons of products to your audience. So when people click on those products and go buy them, that's how you're going to make money with your website. And that is why I recommend Wealthy Affiliate for you to go on, so that you can learn how to build it in a certain way that it can attract its own visitors, and then they'll come and look at your awesome dog information, and then they're going to like it. I mean, if you provide really good content about how to take care of their dog and how to show them how to groom their dog, and then tell them these are the supplies that you use, these are the things that will help you, then they will go and check it out. Eventually, you can even come up with your own doggy training course that you can sell on this website, okay? So the potential of this website could be huge, okay? My website makes me a 4-digit online income every single month, guys. It did take a little while to get there because it's a business and you gotta really learn how to build it. And so, but once it's built and you have traffic coming to your website, visitors coming to your website, you will make money if you build it according to the lessons given out at Wealthy Affiliate. So that's where I learned it from, and that's why I still recommend it today to other people, because they teach you exactly how to build this website step by step to very beginners who have never built anything at all. It's all point and click. There's no coding for you to learn. In order for you to see my face here, you don't go to wealthyaffiliate.com. You won't see my face that way. And why you want to see my face is because you want my help, okay? I am willing to be that coach for you. I'm going to be there as your mentor. I'm going to be there as your guide. So if you get stuck on any lessons, then you have me to come to ask questions. I've been there since 2016, guys. It's been almost 3 years. All you need is an email address and you can get started for free just to check it out. But you do need to upgrade to premium if you really want to learn how to do this, because the free account only gives you the first level of lessons, and you're going to need all 5 levels to learn this properly. So you will need to upgrade eventually. So just to let you know that, okay? But the free account is actually pretty cool too, because you can go through that first level and already have a brand new website live on the internet after going through just those first 10 lessons, okay? So the link that you need to use to get to this page with my little face on it is workanywherenow.com/team Littlemama. I'm going to have the link inside the video description for you to just click on, so you don't have to remember anything. So make sure that you click that link in the video description, which is workanywherenow.com/team Littlemama. Of course, this kind of website is not limited to a dog niche. You can do any niche that you like. My niche is about making money online and affiliate marketing, because I have really loved this way of making money online, and I've been doing this since 2016, guys. I really hope you rather go for this option, because it's really fun to do, to have your own business and have it earn passive income, mind you, because the work that you do, you don't earn the same time. You earn any time of the day. So you work on your own schedule and then you earn 24/7. Okay, guys? So that's how I've been making money online as a stay-at-home mom. I hope you can too. So I hope this has helped you. I hope this video helps you. I hope you got some great ideas on how to make some quick money with these side hustles. But this very last idea of getting your own website up and using affiliate marketing, it is going to be a great long-term income generator for you, and a really good way to make money online if you don't want to do any of these other side hustles. Okay, guys? But if you don't have the money right now, those side hustles will help you get into this program at Wealthy Affiliate, so you can learn something to build something bigger and make bigger money and less manual work. And that's what I wanted to get away from, and that's why I started making money online, guys. Okay, so I hope this video has helped you. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, give me a like, and subscribe to this channel so you can learn more ways of how to make money. And hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes up, guys. I hope I see you on the next video. So have a good day. Bye.